So we've done a lot of videos about the remote, but we haven't done as many on the voice controls. Today we're going to look at the voice control and what you can do with it. Now here's the button on the remote. It's the one that looks like the microphone, and how you use it is you hold the button down. While you're holding the button down for the entirety of what you're going to say, you hold the button down and then you say what you want to play. There's a couple things you can do and a couple things you can't do with it. I'm going to show you both. First thing you can do, open the Spectrum app. Just by saying that, it'll open Spectrum full screen. Next thing you can do is change channels. Play HGTV channel on Spectrum. Okay, that didn't work, so let's try it a little bit differently. We'll just go back. Play HGTV. There you go. So you don't have to tell it what app if you're already in the Spectrum app. That's pretty cool. Play Nick Jr. So that's pretty cool. You can also find sports. Let's do that. Major League Baseball. Play the Mets game. There's no games, or it can't find it. When you're in an app, you can stay in the app for search results, or you can leave the app and search elsewhere. By default, the search will search across all apps, which is really cool. So all the apps that you have on your Xumo box will get searched for whatever search you're looking for. That's by default. When you're in an app, it's only going to search within that app unless you choose this other button here to leave the app and look at other search results. So that's pretty cool. Play HGTV. Let's see if it knows it's in the Spectrum app. And it does. That's pretty cool. Now on the Xumo TVs, the ones you can buy at Walmart, you can use voice commands to pause and rewind and fast forward. I don't think it works yet with the Spectrum Stream Box as of this video, but I assume it's something that's coming. Let's just test it out. Pause. Nope, can't do it. Pause my show. Nope. That searches my show. Try again. Pause the TV show. Nope. It thinks I'm searching for content, and I'm trying to give it a command about the show. Rewind 1 minute. No, it can't do that yet on the Spectrum app on the Xumo Stream Box, so that must be coming soon. Let's see what else you can do here. Sports. Oh, didn't go anywhere. So we'll go home. Sports. Well, there you go. That's a very handy feature. So you can get all the season openers here, college basketball. These are across all apps you may or may not have access to, but at least it shows you what's on, which is really cool. What if we want to listen to some music? Play Willie Nelson. Cool. So you get quite a assortment of content that comes back. That's very cool. Let's go back into Spectrum, see what else we can do. Turn captions on. Can't do that. Let's see. Show me the guide. Okay. Show me all comedy shows on the guide. Yeah, can't quite do advanced queries there. Comedy. Doesn't work the way I thought. Exit Spectrum app. Open YouTube. Find Mets games. Open the Spectrum app. So that's cool, you can switch from app to app without going through the home screen. Open the YouTube app. That's very cool. App switching. That's one of the nicest features I've seen with this voice control. Exit YouTube. Weather. Well, that's weird. I just asked for weather. Oh, I guess it's the Weather Channel. Okay. I thought it was a movie of some kind. Open my list. That's cool. I had done that in the last video, how to build lists. I'll link to it below, but it's nice you can just go right to the videos and the shows that you like to watch. Brings it right up. That's very cool. So as you can see, there's a lot of options with the voice control. It can't yet control the stream for pause and rewind on live TV. We can try it. This is on demand, so we can try it with this one. Fast forward 10 seconds. No, can't do it. Pause. Nope, can't do it. But if I hit the remote, when the thing goes away, then it works. So, very cool though. Turn on captions. Turn on closed captions. Closed captions on. That's too bad. That's a handy one at night when I gotta mute the TV. If the kids are going to bed early and I want to watch something, but I can read the words on the bottom. It's nice to be able to switch back and forth. So those are a lot of the features of the voice remote on the Spectrum Xumo TV stream box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, or share it with somebody who you think might enjoy it. Thanks again for watching.